We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Revit architecture software.
In this video, we shows how to trim or extend an object in Revit. Trim or extend is a modifying tool in Revit. Using this tool, we can easily modify and increase the speed and quality of drawing. This example shows before and after using the trim tool. Next, we demonstrate how to use trim tool. Go to Modify toolbar. This is the icon for trim single element. In Revit, trim or extend is performed in a single tool. Here I want to trim this portion and retain this portion. Just click on the trim tool. Select the reference as the trim boundary. Select the wall to trim. So you must click on the part of the element to be retained. This example shows before and after using extend tool. Next we demonstrate how to use extend tool. Go to Modify toolbar. This is the icon for extend single element. I am already told trim or extend are performed in a single tool. Here I want to extend wall A to wall B. Click on the same icon. Select the reference as the extend boundary. Select the wall to extend. After trim or extend tool, we discuss about corner tool. Go to Modify toolbar. This is the icon for corner tool. This tool is used to form corners either by extending or by trim. In this showing example, first case form the corner by trim. In second case, form the corner by extend. Next, I demonstrate how it works. Click on the tool. Select the first wall to trim and second wall to trim. Select the first wall to extend and second wall to extend. Thanks for watching this video.